another synthetic wig review. So this wig review is brought to you by SAMSBEAUTY. So thank you so much, Sams, for sending over this unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this review. Alright, you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And make sure you're liking and sharing these videos. It really helps me out. So the review that we have today is going to be on a unit by the Stylist. It is a Swiss lace silk top wig, and this one is in Curl-A-Licious, and this is in OT Burgundy. So I don't typically wear burgundy hair. Red hair I feel like looks kind of stupid on me. Well, I won't say red hair. Fire engine red hair looks really pretty on me. Burgundy hair looks frumpy on me, I feel like. It's just not a good color for my skin tone. I don't know why. But let's take a look at the cap construction. So this unit has a silk top. It has that silk base there underneath. It does have a nice pre-plucked sort of looking hairline. You do have your soft lace on the edge. You have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. So you got some nice layers, face framing layers around the front, and then flowing layers in the back. So this is what the stock card looks like. Obviously you have options for your parting space, and I'll definitely show those when I go ahead and put the wig on. If she's anything like the unit that I'm wearing right now, which is also from the Stylist, the lace is very dark for my skin tone, and the silk top is very dark as well. So I did have to add powder into this one. So more than likely that's what I'll do for this one as well, but I will do that on camera so you can see that. If you like this unit, then you can definitely check my review on this one. I do have a video up on it. I'll either leave it here or leave it in the information box down below. So I did lay down my own baby hairs, so that's more than likely what I'll be using for this unit as well. This unit feels sort of silky. It doesn't feel super yucky to me, but it definitely feels like thick.